Good day mga ka-AXS grinders. Update tayo ngayon for November 24 Sunday. Let's start with AXS price. Currently it's $7.45. Up siya by 10.20%. And moving tayo sa plate rice. Daily bounties. Standard board. Okay, so nakuha natin itong 10 points Atia. Kompleto na rin natin yung win battle for Classic, 35 points. And one win battle for Origins, 35 points. So missing lang tayo ng one day, Tuesday. The rest is all good for the whole week. Meron tayong total of 480 points and estimated earning na 0.1 for AXS. Now let's go to Premier Board. Sa Premier Board, nakuha natin itong 12 points by winning one rank game sa Origins. And also 12 points for crafting room sa Origins. Fortunately, wala na tayong materials para makuha itong 70 points. Nakuha rin natin itong 70 points by winning one rank game using a rare hired charms. And lastly, 400 points Classic by winning 3 axes under Aqua. Okay, so all in all for the whole week, meron tayong 2,425 points and estimated earning na 0.69 AXS. AXS staking status. So same pa rin, 22.1398 for AXS. And estimated amount is $165. Claimable rewards this coming Wednesday is 0.075 for 127. Yan lang, thank you.